Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna well mail.
She's special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can come
Hey,
back.
what's up, besties? Welcome back to another video. And you guys, I am so excited to get into today's video, which is the jewel box. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, so y'all know Keena be trying to keep me up on things, and she low-key sent me some pics of some, sneak peeks, and I was like, I don't like seeing sneak peeks, but send me more. And so now I'm super duper excited just to get my hands on these, and so I can see. I was so excited when I went to the post office and my box was there. I didn't even know. But thank you, sis Erica, so much for everything you've been doing in the community, just keeping us lifted, keeping us engaged, just making sure that you check on your sisters. Like, I just love it so much. So y'all make sure y'all go check out I Sell Jewels and sign up for the jewel box if you haven't done so already. So are you guys ready to get into it? Let's get ready to rumble. Okay, or just open the package. Sorry, I have not had any coffee this morning. I guess I'm just in one of those moods. So here we go. Where are my scissors? Okay. Ooh, okay. We got goodness up and through here already. Okay, let's see how many times I can try not to sing today. All right, be gentle with yourself and on your self-love journey. Yes, ma'am. Ooh, now y'all already know. Can we just pause? Do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Okay, I'm just making sure y'all see what I see, because it's lit. Okay, it's lit. It's lit. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm trying to keep my composure. Let me keep my composure a little bit. Okay. This is everything to me already. Okay, I love a good notepad. It says you got your days of the week up there. You can write the date, your affirmation for the day, today I will, and your elevated thoughts. Okay, not your little thoughts, your elevated thoughts. Come on, somebody. And it's a whole notepad. I'm so here for that. I love those. I have my self-love one that I keep on my desk. I love it. Can't wait to have those at my new job, because those kept me encouraged throughout the day. Ooh, we got some little cards. Now this is the one that was with, yeah. This was the Wildly Noted collaboration. And I don't know if I showed y'all my Wildly Noted stuff, but I got a whole thing from Wildly Noted. So this is just really, yes, hot tea. All right, so it says, I'm coming for everything. Listen, everything I deserve, I'm coming for it. You gonna have to see me stuff I deserve, okay? Everything, I'm coming for you. Let me just scoot some stuff over to the side so we can have a good look when I put it down. There we go. Okay, sometimes everything is going wrong for the right reason. I will proceed with caution, but not with fear. Come on. Never give up. Let today be the start of something new. Shift so... Hold on. Do y'all see this? Shift so hard you have to reintroduce yourself. Can we keep... Hey, Erica, can we use that for the retreat? We need to borrow this. The shift so hard you have to reintroduce yourself. That's a whole thing right there. That's a whole entire thing, y'all. Like, we need that. Okay, come on. Ooh, that's giving me life. Okay, embrace all that is you. And so the journey begins. Never address shade from trees with no fruit. Listen, now let me go ahead and let me talk about this real quick. Let's stop for a minute. Let's pause and get us a little young good morning word, okay? Never address shade. Now sometimes, people can be very shady to you, whether in real life or in internet life. And you have to decide whether or not you are going to address it. And is it even worth it? Because if you're growing and you're moving forward, why would you stop and take time to let your crown come off your head to address something that doesn't even bear any fruit right now? It's not even growing. It's just something that's just sitting over there on the side, and they got something to say because they tree not growing anything. Don't give in to that. So don't ever a dress shade from someone who don't have no fruit growing. Like that just don't make sense. That it doesn't make sense at all. All right. Part of the spiritual work is remembering who you are when you're triggered. Now this the one right here. This the one. Because a lot of times when you are triggered, especially like with me, you have anxiety, okay? So when you get triggered, you kind of sometimes may step, depending on, you know, how deeply you're triggered, you may step outside of your character. But you have to remember who you are when you do have those moments. Y'all, this is some life work here, okay? This turning planner rooms into life rooms. You better come on, somebody. This is my kind of stuff. I'm going to try to sit these over here because we still need to be able to see them. That's cute. All right, let's go to the next ones. We have our stickers. Okay, so here we go. We have, look like I got just from putting them in there, but you know, we gonna still use them anyway. Okay, look at this sticker, y'all. Look at her. She is me. I am she. I don't know if Erica was like, sis, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and make you a sticker, because this is me. Ripped jeans, long jacket, big old scarf. Y'all know this is I cannot wait for I love fall. I love wintertime because I love layers, because I can take them off when I get hot. I'm just saying. And it looks so cute when you layer everything. I love it. I can't wait to use it. First of all, and then y'all see her down here. Look at her. She's ready. Who's ready? She's ready. And then look at the girl in the box. Come on. She's giving life, and life more abundantly. Then we got our girl down here. She got a nice little shawl on. Ooh wee. Look at that. Look at it. Okay. This is so cute. This is cute. Okay. Then we got some stickers over here. We got these stickers. I love the small stickers. I think I say this every single time, but I love the small stickers because they fit in my planner really nicely, because I have an A5 planner. Then this one is Embrace Your Journey with all of the girls. Okay, we got all the girls came to the party. Who came to the party? 4 came to the party, and they did not come to play. Then we got, her name is Tiffany. Okay, Tiffany. Tiffany is cute. She's sporting a nice shawl with a good half turtleneck, not quite there turtleneck. She has her high-waisted jeans on, and yes, she's giving you booty cutie. Yes, come on, somebody. Give it up for Tiffany. Then we got Miss Sasha. Sasha's wearing a nice crop top sweater with a nice under cami just to kind of cover the belly button just enough. And then she's rocking her jogger pants with her impressive gym shoes. Let's give it up for Miss Sasha, because Sasha is ready for the fall. Oh, and then we have Miss Diane. Now, Miss Diane did not come to play with you on her very good corporate day today. She's ready to go to work, okay? She has her nice blazer on, and she's sporting her Gucci belt along with a nice blouse and a beautiful bronze skirt with the leggings, and of course with the booty. Now let's give it up for Miss Diane as she gets ready to sashay her way onto work. And then last but not least, we have Miss Jade. Now Miss Jade is your girl. She did not come to play. She said, I'm here to slay the game. Now she is rocking her authentic fake fur, because you know we PETA friendly around here. Okay, she's rocking her authentic fake fur. She has a nice camisole underneath there with a nice mini skirt that just shows her hips and dips, baby. And then she gave us a high length boot. Oh yes, Miss Jade did not come to play. Y'all, okay, I play too much, but y'all, these these are my colors. This is my theme. This is my season. This is my season for grace. Okay, I said I want. Come on, Shell, get it together. Okay, these stickers are so cute. All right, then we got to get into here. Oh, look at the print. Look at the print. I couldn't wait to get to the print. Y'all know I'm about to play with this one. Okay, and then we have this. So that was acetate. Yeah, I'm sorry. Or not even, like, I don't even know if that's called acetate, but it's thin paper. Okay. Work with me. Then we have this design. So we have the lines on that side, and then this nice, oh, it look like silk. Is this satin? Okay, satin sheet slide. Come on, somebody. Y'all know nothing about that if y'all know nothing about TDJ. So y'all know the satin sheet slide. And then we have this nice pattern here, kind of like giving me snaky skin vibes. Oh, now that's cute. You see that? So on one side you get this print, and on the other side you get that one. Y'all better. Oh, and there it is. There it go. There it is. There it go. Look, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I get it in the paper print too. Oh, okay. And then this has the splash print on the back. I am equally as enthused as I am. But y'all know I love big cat vibes. And this is giving me all the big cat vibes. I'm so here for it. Alright, so that was that. So we have our papers. We got into our papers and stuff. Let me put those over to the side. And then, let's see what we got in here. Ooh, wee. Hold on, is this? This must be something extra. This must be something extra. I don't think this come with y'all stuff. I think this is my extra stuff. But I'm going to show y'all anyway. Okay? I'm going to show y'all anyway. Oh, wait. Yes, this is the extra stuff that I got. Listen, okay, so we got the pause. This is the video, okay? This is where you would get if you got the subscription box for this month. Now we gonna go into my extra goodies that I got. Meet Tish, okay? Tish is real cute. We got Miss Lauren. Come on, somebody. I love it. Then we have Misha. Ooh, she cute. Y'all know I love jean on jean. This is an outfit right here. That's a whole fit. Can y'all see that? She got a bag, a jean bag over here on the side. That's a fit, sis. That's a fit. I'm about to have a fit. Okay, look at this. Peace. This is Miss Ebony. And then we have Miss Maya. I like that. Okay, and this is the I Am Journal. Okay, so look at this one. Loving Me. Look at that. So cute. Deep in thought. Yes, I am deep in thought with this bun on top of my head, honey. Yes. This one is comfortable in my skin. This is me. Oh, wait. And open to love. I am still open to love. I am. And then we have the journal. Oh, I just love those. Okay. Then look at, okay, wait, I'm getting excited. Okay, then we got Miss Giselle, not to be mistaken with Giselle from Real Housewives of Potomac, who we don't really mess with at the time. Okay, she got an image to protect with her and Jamal. Anyway, this is Forgive. This is cute. She's cute. Now, these are fashions. They are really giving us the fashions. This is Miss Coco. Come on now. Come on, Miss Coco. She's ready for the winter. I love it. Oh, I thought I had met her, but Erin is my inner child. This is her. This is me with the hat on, slouchy sweater over thing, like, and then a little purse and then the boots. Yes, honey, give me a thigh-high boot any day, baby. Any day. For all them people who say I'm not tall, I am tall. Give me a thigh-high boot. I bet you I'll show different. Okay, then we got Winter Bliss Squad. This is the whole squad. Squad goals. Okay, invite me to the party, to the winter party. Then we got the Winter Bliss journal meme. And then this has change with the season. That's good. Blissful, which you got to change with the season. I don't know if we've ever talked about this, but if you have your foundation on from the summertime and you have not changed it for the wintertime, just take a moment and go adjust that. Go fix that, sis. You don't got to be, you don't got to be 2 shades different. Okay, I'm just saying. All right, prosperity in the winter. This is a cute one. And then this one is comfort and warmth. Y'all, okay. Yes. It's all a yes. It's all a yes for me. And then, here we go. This is the acetate. Now, can y'all see that? Ooh. Giving me the vibes. This is giving me all the wintry vibes. I can't wait. And then here is this beautiful paper. I gotta remember what this paper is called. It's like transparency type. No, this is y'all know what I'm talking about though. Y'all know what kind of paper I'm talking about. This is nice paper and it feels really good and it's like etched. Like I wanted to see if y'all could like feel it. Can y'all feel it? Like just put your hand right there. Just touch it 1 second. Touch it, why don't you? Touch it, why don't you? But if you feel it, like it's kind of raised. It's like, oh, I just love how it feels. Okay, I cannot wait to decorate my planner for the winter. It's gonna be the bomb. Actually, I need to decorate it for the fall right now. I'm about to do that. Okay, yeah, I'm so excited. Oh, I love this. Oh, this was beautiful. This was beautiful. You guys, if you haven't checked out all of the goodies, like sis did not come to play with us. She said she ready. She said she got the goods. She said I'm not playing with y'all no more. I am walking in my purpose. And you know what? I love to see it. I love to see when people are walking in their purpose and just doing what they do, and everything just keeps coming forth, and you can just tell like the growth process, like how things are just moving and shaking for people. And I love it so much, you guys. I really, really do. And you can, like, the way that she speaks life into other people, and I can speak about myself, the way that Erica speaks life into me, it's amazing. Like, you can't ask for better people than that just take time out just to check on their sis, to say, hey, you good, you safe, you need anything, is there something I can help you with? Those are the kind of people you want in your life. Y'all, I'm so in love with this box. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit up Isis Ella Jewels and check out everything. I'll have a link down below so you guys can sign up for the box, check out her Instagram, all of that good stuff. Thank you, sis, for sending me this box. You know I'm always appreciative because you always give me the goods. I love it. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. Mwah! KK, bye!
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright.